Imagine cruising down the highway and suddenly your brakes fail. Every year, thousands of drivers face this terrifying scenario. 22% of vehicle accidents are caused by brake system problems. But what if I told you that most of these accidents could be prevented by recognizing just a few critical warning signs? Section 1. Understanding your brake system. Before we dive into the warning signs, let's quickly break down how your brake system works. Think of it like the human body's nervous system, but for your car. You've got the master cylinder, your brake's brain, that converts your foot pressure into stopping power. Brake lines are like blood vessels, carrying fluid throughout the system. Calipers act like hands, squeezing brake pads against rotors to create the friction that stops your vehicle. Section 2. Unusual sounds. Let's talk about the sounds your brakes use to cry for help. High-pitched squealing, that's your brake pads saying, "I'm wearing out." Modern pads have built-in wear indicators that create this sound when they're getting thin. Grinding noises. Danger alert. This means your brake pads are completely worn, causing metal-to-metal contact that can destroy your rotors. Imagine two pieces of sandpaper rubbing together. That's what's happening to your braking system. Clicking or rattling. These sounds suggest loose components or worn shims. It might not be an immediate emergency, but it's like a check engine light you shouldn't ignore. Section 3. Physical warning signs. Your brake system communicates through more than just sounds. Pay attention to these physical signals. A vibrating brake pedal. Your rotors might be warped from excessive heat or uneven wear. It's like a washing machine that's off balance. Something's not right. Soft or sinking brake pedal. This could mean air in your brake lines or a master cylinder problem. If your brake pedal feels like stepping on a marshmallow, get it checked immediately. Sudden changes in pedal resistance. Your brake system is telling you something's wrong. It's like your car's way of sending an SOS signal. Section 4. Visual red flags. Some warning signs you can actually see. Brake warning light. Never ignore this. It's your car's direct communication system alerting you to potential issues. Brake pad thickness. If they're less than a quarter-inch thick, it's replacement time. Fluid leaks. Dark puddles under your wheels could indicate brake fluid leakage, a serious safety concern. Section 5. Emergency scenarios and solutions. What if you experience sudden brake problems? Vehicle pulling to one side while braking. Could be uneven pad wear, a stuck caliper, or contaminated fluid. Brake pedal going to the floor. This is critical. Here's what to do. Stay calm. Pump the brakes to rebuild pressure. Downshift gradually. Use emergency brake slowly. Signal and move to a safe area. Call for professional help. Maintenance tips. Prevention is always better than cure. Here's your brake maintenance checklist. Every 3 months, check fluid levels, listen for sounds, test responsiveness. Every 6 months, inspect pads, check brake lines. Professional maintenance, brake fluid flush. Every 2 years, brake pad replacement. Every 25,000 to 65,000 miles. Complete system inspection annually. Hey, brake safety isn't a joke. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share with anyone who drives. Want detailed product recommendations? Check the links in the description. Before you go, if you want to know the difference between brake pads and brake shoes, click here to watch.